Infomercial.
For those of you wondering about the Hakko 808, brought to you by Japan, let me tell you, this thing is fantastic. It's just the gun to have. I don't think I've ever used a tool as good as this. I mean, we're dealing with, this board is mid-1990s, and let's just watch how the capacitors just melt off the board. So I'll have to remember to upload this, but let's have a look here. Let's go with one of these ones here. Quite difficult to get at. So I think that's the capacitor there. And lo and behold, the capacitor just falls out. It's like magic. So if you're thinking of desoldering things, radial capacitors in particular, I would highly recommend one of these. 100 microfarads, 16 volt. Cool. Thanks for watching.